In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook and earn fast commissions without spending a single dollar on ads. I have made so much commissions just by posting in the right Facebook groups using smart strategies and services people are already searching for. No website, no followers, no ads, just copy paste strategies that work. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I do it step by step so you can start earning from day one, and let's get started. So first, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one with Fiverr. So what you will do next, step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So it's super easy and simple. All you need to do is you just need to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. Okay, so you just need to come to this page after you finish your sign up process and scroll down like this. Go to company and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be in this Fiverr affiliates website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever because they are really paying good commissions. So to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and just click here on join now. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can choose no, and choose your country from here. Your location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from any country, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Okay, just search for your country from here and choose your language from here. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. What you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Facebook. Okay, so what we need to do next is we need to go back to our Fiverr homepage, and I'll share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Facebook, and it's logo design. Click on the search for logo design like this. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here who provide this service. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. So how you can choose good sellers? Always choose sellers like top rated sellers or level 2 sellers or pro sellers. Okay, so for example, let me choose one of those sellers, like for example like this one. You guys can see that this one is top rated seller. He has over 1,000 reviews, which is really good. This service starting from $25. I will click on this one. I will choose this one. Just click on the service that you want to use, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page, and you guys can see the numbers don't lie. This service is already working. People are already paying for those services. You can see here we have 169 orders in queue. Look how many people are paying for this service. Look how many people already paid for this service. Over 10,000 reviews, meaning over 10,000 people paid for this logo design service. It's working, and this is the best service that you can promote to earn your first commissions on Facebook. Okay, I want you to pay close attention again. What you will do, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, click on your dashboard here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on defaults and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link here and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you will promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. Go and open your Facebook account. It's for free. Go and click on the search for logo design. You have here filters, scroll down and click on groups. Okay, we need Facebook groups. You will find a lot of Facebook groups here that you can use to promote your Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. Okay, so for private groups you need to join those groups. For public groups, that's fine, you can use those groups even if you are not joining those groups. Okay, so for example, let me choose this one, the second one, logo design group. Click on the group that you want to use, scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people are searching for logo designer. You see this? This person posted this post, I need logo designer, 10 to 50 dollar per logo. Okay, if I scroll more, I will find more people searching for logo designer. I need logo designer immediately. I can scroll more. Hi, we need professional logo design. I need YouTube logo design. Logo design need price $50, $50. You can see a lot of people search for logo designer. So for you, what you will do to promote this service and earn a commission, people already here searching for logo designer, you will click here on write something like this. And what you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture and double click on the picture, click on save image, save this picture to your laptop, go back to Facebook and click over here and upload this picture about logo design. Let me show you like this here. This is my picture. Click on open. What you will do next, you will click here and you need to write description for this service. So what you will do, you can use ChatGPT. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create post description that you can use to promote logo design service on Facebook groups and include your website link. Okay, and here you go, you will get a good and professional description like this. Okay, you will copy this description like this, go back to Facebook and put this description here. Okay, and you have this option, you need to put your affiliate link here. Okay, so what we will do next, we will go back to our Fiverr affiliate account, we will copy our affiliate link from here, and this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. So you guys can go to Google and search for this website, short URL. This website make long links, short links. Of course, it's for free. You just need to put your affiliate link here and click on shorten, and your affiliate link will be short link like this. So looks professional and clean. So I will put my affiliate link here, go back to Facebook, paste, and here you go. Okay, what you will do next, you just need to click on post. Okay, and your post will be published on this Facebook group. People who search for logo designer, they will check your affiliate link, they will be directly in this seller profile page. If they buy this service from your affiliate link, you earn a commission. That's exactly how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.